The field stuff is doing really good. Just came out here to get the tarp down nice and good so that it doesn't blow all over the place with the storms a-coming. The leaves are starting to die back a little bit, so you can see a little bit better all the pumpkins and squash. There's a lot. It's becoming more noticeable. We've got some really decent weather coming up here after this round of storms. Got a nice little pumpkin down in here, Seminole pumpkin from Florida, turning orange. Another green one turning orange right beside it. And some other ones that are still pretty dark green, but they're more of a flatter pancake looking pumpkin. This thing puts off some different stuff. But praying that the hail doesn't do us too bad here and beat up all our plants. And look at that giant watermelon. This is the biggest one. This thing is massive. It's like close to beach ball size. There's another orange pumpkin coming on in there. And another one right here. And all these watermelon. We've got the two different kinds. Solid dark green. And then the ribbed ones. And then all these spaghetti squash. Covering them with this tarp really worked when we had that cold snap and a few nights of freezes. And just praying that the hail doesn't tear them up, and we have a couple of nice weeks in the beginning of November to give them some rain and some decent temperatures, and hopefully they can finish on out. A lot of these spaghetti squash are starting to get really close to ready, and still haven't counted them, but there's got to be close to 40 spaghetti squash. All these guys here. And then we get down here to the butternut. Not as many butternut, but there's still a whole bunch. And they're getting really close to ready too. Their stems are starting to brown out. Going to be getting close to ready here real soon. I've got a whole bunch of them down in here. Looking good, looking good.